Hey there folks!
Welcome back to our channel.
Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss our latest tech reviews. Let's get started. This is a USB humidity and temperature data logger that provides a PDF report of the temperature and humidity. The data logger can be used in indoor temperature measuring, warehouse management, logistics, transportation, telecommunication rooms, intelligent buildings, subways, department stores, libraries, etc.
For the guys in research, this one can come in handy, like for instance when you need to record storage temperature and humidity.
This data logger is designed to record humidity, ranging from 0 to 100%, with humidity accuracy between 45%. For temperature, the range is -40 to 70 degrees Celsius, with temperature accuracy ranging between -10 and 50 degrees Celsius.
So basically, this logger is perfect for environmental temperature and humidity monitoring.
In the box, you will get the following: the data logger device, ACD carrying the software you need, 3M adhesive cards and a manual.
This device does not come with a battery installed, but you can get it easily from the stores.
The device is small and will not take up much space. Most importantly, it is a USB-type device.
To set it up for operation, you need a certain software which you can easily get online.
Once downloaded, you just need to run it. When you plug in the device, the software automatically recognizes the device and allows you to enter the configuration settings you desire, whether it is the minimum or maximum temperature or relative humidity. When done, you can also set the date and time when your data logger should start recording. Remember, you can set up a later date when recording should begin. When recording is done and the humidity and temperature data logger is plugged into a PC, it automatically generates a PDF report containing summaries, charts, and detailed data lists, saving you time and effort in producing comprehensive reports for analysis and documentation. You can copy and transfer the dataset for further analysis. Besides the PDF report, the data logs are delivered also in Excel sheet.
That's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video.
Please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to share and subscribe. Until next time, cheers!